Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to connect PayPal to your Shopify store. To connect PayPal to your Shopify store, log into your Shopify admin and go to settings, click on payment. By default, PayPal Express checkpoint is already listed as an available payment option. So if you signed up with the same email as your PayPal account, click activate PayPal Express checkpoint and Shopify will prompt you to log into your PayPal account to give permission. After logging in, grant Shopify the necessary access to provide or process your payment. So if you want to use a different PayPal account, click deactivate next to the current one, then reactivate it using the current emails. Make sure your PayPal account is set up as a business account for smoother transaction. So once connected, PayPal will appear as payment option for customers during checkpoint, letting them pay using their PayPal balance, credit cards, or linked bank account. Always test the checkpoint process afterwards to ensure everything works properly. And that's it.